So this guy in the Kia comes from the road here, and these birds right here follow him because he likes to put food out. And I'll show you what I mean. I'm standing here in the middle of the road, and these birds, he's getting out of the car now. Watch what happens. He's staring up at him because they know who he is. This happens every morning. He's got his bird food, and those birds, they've come from a couple miles away. They do this every day, and soon more will show up. There's a little one there waiting. As soon as he throws that food, there it is, he just dropped it. You can see it there. They're gonna leave their perch and go see him. There they go. They do this little ritual thing where they fly around every morning. It's like they go and say hi to him. One of them usually lands first. Oh, there's more now. It looks like they're not happy with each other. Standing guard. Here comes it. This ritual with these two birds, and usually, like I said, another couple will come around, happens every single day. And I've literally seen him more than a couple miles from here driving, and these birds literally following him. Sometimes these birds will be flying around and I'll know that this vehicle is about to show up. It's the most amazing thing ever. I think these are ravens. They could be crows, but I think they're ravens. And I think ravens are super intelligent, if I'm not mistaken. Anyway, good on him for doing this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this. I know there's all kinds of videos of ravens and crows messing with cats and instigating fights and things, and even feeding hungry animals. It's crazy. But check this out. Isn't this amazing? Anyway, you guys have a good day. I'm here at Shasta Lake, Northern California. Take care.